I analyzed 4 major Belgian crypto scams from the playlist Belgian Crypto Fraud Files that stole 132 million euros from 223,000 people. I found the 15 red flags that could have stopped them all. Can you withdraw your crypto right now, like this second? Because 223,000 people thought they could. They were wrong. 132 million euros gone. 4 different scams across Belgium. Swiss law firms, fake social networks, professional athletes, even faith leaders. But here's what's going to save you. 15 red flags every single victim missed. In a few minutes, you'll spot scams that fool 90% of investors. And the first one? It might be happening in your wallet right now. Real question before we start. Who was the last person who pitched you a crypto investment? Don't say their name, just drop their relationship in the comments. Friend, family, co-worker, or stranger. I'm tracking a pattern here. If you've been following the Belgian crypto fraud files, you've seen how these scams worked from the inside. The Swiss law firm that laundered 32 million, Vitay's fake social network, the pro cyclist, the religious investment Ponzi. This is the final video in the series. And it's the most important one because this is your defense system. Every warning sign was visible from the start. Let's make sure you never miss them. First category, how the money actually moves. This is where scams expose themselves fastest. Red flag 1, recruitment bonuses. If you earn money by bringing in new investors, stop. You're not in an investment, you're in a pyramid scheme. Remember Vitae? 10% for every recruit, 5% for their recruits. That's not investing, that's recruiting. Real investments profit from market performance, not recruitment. Red flag 2, guaranteed high returns. Every single scam in this series promised consistent, exceptional returns. The Swiss law firm scheme advertised 15 to 20% annually with zero risk. No legitimate investment guarantees returns. High reward means high risk. Always. Anyone promising both is lying to your face. Red flag 3, withdrawal difficulties. Pro cyclists' victims watched their balances grow, but when they tried to withdraw, technical errors, processing delays, silent customer support. Stop right here. Open your crypto wallet. Try to withdraw 50 euros right now. If you can't withdraw immediately, no friction, no delays, comment below. We need to talk about what you're in. Red flag 4, proprietary token with no external trading. The Vitae token only existed on Vitay's platform. You couldn't trade it on Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, nothing. Real cryptocurrencies trade on multiple legitimate exchanges. If a token only exists on the platform selling it, you're trapped in a closed system. Your money can't escape. Second category, how scammers dress fraud to look bulletproof. This next one caught even skeptical investors. Red flag 5. Complex legal structures as proof. The Belgian gang used a Swiss law firm to create layers, escrow accounts, subsidiary companies, legal documentation that looked perfect. But complexity isn't sophistication. When someone uses legal structures to build trust instead of explaining simply, they're hiding something. Red flag 6, geographic legitimacy, laundering, Zug, Switzerland, crypto valley. The criminals knew a Swiss address would stop questions cold. A Swiss address doesn't equal safety. Neither does Singapore, Hong Kong, or any prestigious location. Always verify with actual regulators. In Switzerland, that's FINMA. Check their database yourself. Link in the description. Red flag 7, offshore. Shell company complexity, Swiss holding company, Netherlands operational entity, various offshore accounts. Each layer supposedly added security. Actually, each layer added obstruction. If you can't trace where your money goes in one simple sentence, don't invest. Red flag 8. Complex international account structures. Pro cyclists moved money from Belgium through Norway, Singapore, then Hong Kong. 3 continents before authorities could trace it. Your investment shouldn't need a passport. Simple, direct transactions only. This category, this is where they got you to scam yourself and your family. Red flag 9, growth through referrals, not product value. Vitae grew because users recruited users, not because the platform delivered value or the token had utility. Ask this: would this succeed without recruiting? If the answer is no, it's a Ponzi with better branding. Red flag 10: celebrity or authority endorsement without expertise. Pro cyclists competed at professional levels, verifiable credentials, public recognition. People trusted him completely. Being good at cycling doesn't make you good at crypto. Success in one field doesn't transfer, but our brains desperately want to believe it does. Red flag 11: religious or cultural identity used as credibility. The Brussels operators attended mosque for months, quoted religious principles, built real relationships before asking for money. Shared faith doesn't replace financial verification. It just makes questioning feel like betrayal. Red flag 12: educational events that end with sales pitches. Free financial literacy seminars. 30 minutes of legitimate education, then 15 minutes pitching their investment. Real education teaches critical thinking. Sales funnels teach you to trust the instructor. If a workshop ends with an opportunity, it was always marketing. Real talk. Have you ever defended an investment to someone who questioned it? If yes, comment the red flag number you ignored. This actually matters for what I'm covering next week. Final category. Before I show you the protection protocol, understand this. Red flag 15 is the one almost nobody catches. Red flag 13: multiple tokens with no clear use cases. Nanocoin, Octacoin, Crypto 888. Pro cyclists promoted them simultaneously, each supposedly serving different purposes. None had real utility. Legitimate projects focus deeply on one token. Multiple tokens usually means multiple scams running parallel. Red flag 14: withdrawal restrictions or locked wallets. The wallets were programmed to prevent transfers. Victims saw their balance but couldn't touch a single euro. Your crypto should be accessible this second. Any lock, any delay means your money is already hostage. Red flag 15: guaranteed returns framed as profit sharing. The scam claimed religious profit sharing principles, but they guaranteed returns, which violates the entire concept. True profit sharing means you share both profits and losses. Guarantees mean it's just interest wearing different clothing. 15 red flags. Any single one is a warning. 2 or more, run. You know the 15 flags. Here's your 3-step defense system. Step 1: the immediate screen. Before investing anything, run it through all 15 flags. Even one flag means investigate deeper. 2 or more, walk away immediately. Step 2: the test investment, invest 50 to 100 euros maximum. Then immediately, same day, try to withdraw all of it. If you can't withdraw within 24 hours with zero friction, zero fees, zero excuses, you just learned the truth for minimal cost. Don't invest another cent. Step 3: external verification. Never use materials from the company selling the investment. Search their name plus scam. Check FINMA, FCA, or your local financial regulator's database. Ask independent experts with nothing to gain. Real due diligence means being willing to walk away from opportunities that don't pass every single test. Who needs to see this? Seriously, tag someone in the comments who invests in crypto. And if you're committing to using this checklist before your next investment, drop a green tick below. 132 million euros, 223,000 victims, 4 major scams across Belgium. The Swiss law firm with complex escrow structures, Vita's recruitment bonuses and proprietary token, pro cyclists' celebrity credibility, and locked wallets. The religious Ponzi's faith-based manipulation and guaranteed returns. Every warning sign was visible from the start. 5 videos, 5 investigations, and now you have what those victims didn't: a fraud detection system built from their painful lessons. These 15 red flags work, not in theory, in reality. They came from actual cases where real people lost everything. People who trusted Swiss law firms because Switzerland means security. People who believed their friends because community means safety. People who followed athletes because success means wisdom. People whose faith was weaponized because belief means vulnerability. They did nothing wrong except trust people who seemed trustworthy. You won't make the same mistake. All 15 red flags are in a checklist in the description. Download it, save it to your phone. Check it before every investment. And if you missed any of the 4 investigations, the full Belgian Crypto Fraud Files playlist is linked right here. The Swiss law firm, Vitai's social network, pro cyclists multi-token empire, the religious Ponzi. Every detail, every tactic, every warning sign. Subscribe because I investigate fraud that could cost you thousands, and I break down exactly how it works so you never fall for it. Last question for this series. Which of these 4 scams would you have fallen for? Be completely honest. 1 for the law firm, 2 for the social network, 3 for the celebrity, 4 for the faith-based. I'm doing a results video next week analyzing your answers and covering the patterns I found. Your comment might save someone else. Stay skeptical, stay safe. And remember, no legitimate investment requires you to ignore warning signs. For now, stay informed, stay safe, and we see you in the next one.